Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essential account details so the change is accepted first time. Open the Bajaj Finserv app or website and log in with your registered number. Make sure OTP is verified. Once done, navigate to Loans or EMI section and select the loan whose auto debit you want to change. Enter or prepare to upload new bank info, account number, IFSC, and a canceled check or e-statement to speed up verification and avoid processing delays. Next, you manage the mandate fields precisely because errors block the switch. Inside Auto Debit settings, choose Update Mandate and carefully type the new account number and IFSC. Upload the check image or e-statement as proof. Then pick a mandate start date, ideally one banking day before the EMI, to ensure collection timing. Make sure to authorize the change using the OTP sent to your registered mobile. This authorizes the bank mandate and links the new account to your loan. Finally, you confirm completion and monitor the first debit to be certain the change took effect. After submitting, save the confirmation screen and note the reference ID. Check mandate status in the app until it shows approved. Make sure the new account has sufficient funds on the scheduled debit date to prevent penalties. If the mandate is rejected, contact Bajaj Finserv customer care quickly. Provide the reference ID and uploaded proof, and ask them to reprocess or advise required corrections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.